Let's open chest handmade.
Just handmade.
Let's come.
Woo!
Look. Wow.
Wow.
Dun, dun, dun.
Dun dun.
Look, handmade. So beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Look to see our queen. So lovely.
And our king.
Look. So nice. So pretty. The horse.
And the bishop.
Bishop. Do you know why Bishop have this line? Do you know?
Because
The school teach you this?
I don't know, but I think they create like this.
And this is castle. Look it. And the last one. Which one? This. We change the other side different
Yes.
color. Look. So nice. 有没有看到? Look at it. So wonderful. Let's to play one time, okay?
Okay.
Do you want to play it?
Yes. Woo!
That's yours.
Thank you.
Look.
Is yours.
Let's to see. Yes, on this side. Look.
Wow, so beautiful.
Look. Close and open. You see?
Yes.
So beautiful. Bloody brilliant. Let's see. Look. Your side is together. Right.
You need
It's together.
this
Left.
in the left.
The left always is black.
Black.
Okay. Let's to play castle. King
Bishop.
and queen. Always black is here. Black. Go to black. The space. And his white always
In
the queen in
the
white
white.
place.
If you are white,
Remember.
in the white. Place.
Understand?
Yes.
Must be super basic knowledge. Okay? The basic rule is like this. Let's play it. You start. And here.
Horse.
A horse. Oh, super quickly. So if I here. Let's see. Here.
Here.
Alright, it's my turn.
Yes.
It's difficult, eh?
think. Oh, here.
So quickly. No. Uy. So you eat me or eat you? Okay. But before I can eat your horse, I didn't think too much.
Yes.
Ay. Queen todavía no hace nada.
Sí.
Qué difícil.
Y ese tampoco el mío. Y estos dos. Y este.
Ay. Así. Salí. Así súper peligroso, ¿no?